The NewAge Infrared Garage Heater lets you keep your work area comfortable so you can concentrate on getting things done. Our 1500-watt heater puts out over 5,000 BTUs an hour with a long-life carbon filament that radiates heat comfortably and efficiently for effective zone warming, with an adjustable mounting bracket that lets you angle the heat towards where you need it. The NewAge heater plugs into any standard 120-volt wall outlet, so there's no special wiring required, making it ideal for workshops, basements, sunrooms, and sheds. Unlike large, bulky units, the low-profile wall mount design of the NewAge heater keeps it out of the way and off your work surface or floor. The optional slat wall bracket lets you mount it directly to your slat wall for a clean, professional-looking setup. Enjoy a safer workplace and peace of mind, knowing that your heater has IP34 certified protection against water spray from any direction, and a built-in shutoff feature to prevent overheating. The remote control puts convenient heating options at your fingertips, with 3 quick-select power levels and 30 personalized settings. A 9-hour timer lets you set it and forget it for all-day comfort. Don't let cold weather slow you down. Keep your work area comfortable and productive with the 1500-watt infrared heater from NewAge.